How to listen to YouTube music with the screen off. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can listen to YouTube music with our screen off. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to listen to YouTube music with our screen off, normally if you go ahead and then open up YouTube music and then you press the power button to turn off its screen if you want to listen in the background, YouTube will not let you do that because that is simply one of the restrictions. So if I open up YouTube music, here you can see a little pop-up that says don't want your music to stop, right? So it says me you can try YouTube Music Premium to keep listening with the screen off. That means that in order to listen to YouTube music with the screen off, you have to upgrade to the premium version. Now you can actually get 1 month for free by just entering your card details. Otherwise, you can simply type in YouTube Music option here and then you should be able to listen to YouTube music. So if you don't know how to upgrade, if you're on the home tab, you can tap the upgrade tab from the bottom right side of the screen. And here you'll find the option called try it for free. You can tap the try it for free option. Just select the plan that you like, which could be student plan, family plan, or individual plan. Once you select either of these options, you will basically get YouTube music as well as YouTube premium after you enter your respective details. This way you'll be able to listen to YouTube music with the screen off. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.